So, you want to start a blog and make money? Awesome. But let's get one thing straight. It's not like planting a money tree and watching it rain cash. Blogging takes time, strategy, and a sprinkle of sheer stubbornness. If you're ready to roll up your sleeves and do more than just type into the void, let's dive in. Picking a niche is like dating. You need something you're passionate about, but it also has to have potential. You wouldn't date someone who refuses to shower, and you shouldn't start a blog in a niche where no one wants to spend money.
In terms of money, we have no money.
Here's how to find the perfect niche. What do you love talking about? If you can rant about it for hours without losing steam, that's a good start. Are people actually searching for it? Check Google Trends, forums, and social media. Is it profitable? A blog about collecting vintage bottle caps might be fun, but unless you're selling rare caps at auction, it won't pay the bills. For example, let's say you love personal finance. Great. Instead of just rambling about saving pennies, focus on something specific, like how to retire at 40 without eating instant noodles for a decade. Imagine you throw a party but forget to send out invites. That's what happens when you blog without SEO. The key is to use SEO like a secret weapon. It helps your blog show up in search results and brings visitors straight to your content. Think of it as planting little breadcrumbs across the internet so people can find their way to your site. Use tools like Surfer SEO and SEMrush to spy on what's working for successful bloggers. Trust me, there's no shame in peeking at your competition. It's called market research, not stalking. Here's an insider secret. Pinterest isn't just for wedding boards and fancy cupcake recipes. It's a goldmine for blog traffic. Many bloggers get millions of views from Pinterest alone. Create eye-catching pins, add compelling descriptions, and post consistently. It's like digital fishing. Except instead of fish, you're reeling in blog readers who are actually interested in what you have to say. And no, you don't need to be a Photoshop wizard. Canva will do just fine. So, you've got visitors. Fantastic. But if they're just skimming your posts and leaving, you're basically running a free museum. The goal is to turn them into loyal readers, email subscribers, and, eventually, paying customers. If your title is boring, no one will click. How I made $10,000 blogging is way better than my blogging journey. Tell readers what to do next. Subscribe, download a freebie, or check out your product. Your first attempt is rarely your best. Try different headlines, images, and CTA placements to see what works best. Look, blogging won't make you rich overnight. If it did, we'd all be lounging on a beach, sipping margaritas while our blog does the work. But if you stick with it, keep learning, and refuse to give up, blogging can be a fantastic way to earn money. So, are you ready to start your blog and turn it into a money-making machine? Let me know what niche you're thinking about in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more blogging tips.